Okay, we're going to start slowly screwing in our tap here from our kit in our big intake here. So we're going to give it a try and see what happens. Try to keep it as straight as possible on the top and screw it in by hand. It likes to move around a lot at first, so try to keep it steady while screwing it in, because you can screw it up pretty easily if you don't try to keep it as straight as possible. So then after a minute it starts to guide itself. You can see it cutting right now. That was a fresh hole from that drill bit right there. So let's see how far it goes before it's, yep, it's starting to stop. I'm not going to go any further. So unscrew it. And now it's completely dry, no lube or nothing. That's what you're left with. A nice little threaded area for your insert to go. I'll show you how to screw that in, and that was aluminum. That was no problem. That was really easy. I did it in my cast iron head too, worked fine, so looks like that's a success. Great job.